Hello there, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. We are in Whittier, Alaska. I'm going to head over to Girdwood, Alaska. Just a short little flight. I just got this Cessna 185 Skywagon not too long ago and I haven't flown it much. I thought I'd make a video so you guys can watch me struggle. We all know how horrible I am in a tail dragger. Well, let's jump in and take her for a spin. Oh, look at that. That just showed up. Nice. Alrighty, well, we'll get in here, we'll do our checklist, take off, and go from there. Okay, before starting engine checklist, fuel shutoff valve is open. Let's double check, make sure. Yes. Fuel selectors on both. We test our brakes. Brakes are good. Electrical equipment is off. Flaps. Let's check our flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4 notches. They're all working properly. We're going to leave it at 20% for takeoff anyway. Cowl flap. Let's see what our cowl flap. Cowl flap is open and tail wheel is unlocked. Okay, let's go to starting engine checklist. Master switch on. Mixture full rich. Prop RPM lever full max. Power levers at idle. We'll turn our auxiliary pumps on for our fuel and we will crack the throttle halfway and fire it up. There we go. Shut our auxiliary fuel pumps off. Oil pressure's good. Go to our before takeoff. Parking brake set, fuel selectors both. Flight controls are free and clear. Cowl flaps open. Then we're looking for a mag check. We're not going to do that. We're going to skip the mag check. You all know what the mag check is. Prop RPM levers all the way forward. Vacuum gauge is good. Ammeter gauge is good. Power lever is at idle. Avionics master switch. We do need to turn that on. Radios are on. Okay. We got the flap set. We will go ahead and spin around and take off. So our after takeoff checklist real quick here is 110 miles an hour climb out at 2,500 RPMs. We'll lean out above 3,000 feet and bring our flaps up. So good enough. Let's get rolling. Okay, we'll release the parking brakes. I'm going to announce takeoff straight out because we're not going to really taxi. We're just taking off.
Papa Alpha Whiskey Romeo Traffic Cessna Tango Papa Tango Foxtrot 25 taking off runway 22 straight out departure.
Okay, we're gonna go. Fly over Whittier here real quick. lights out. Still climbing, 2,500 RPM, 150 miles an hour is perfect. And we'll fly over the glacier here shortly. There's the glacier. We're going to turn down Turnagain Arm here and head for Girdwood. This would be a good place to come and land with the Twin Otter. What do you think? Keep our RPMs in the green and cruise along here. Okay, so not too far up around the corner is Girdwood, so bear with me, we'll get this thing on the ground and be done. So the whole purpose of this video is basically just showing you some scenic areas of Alaska and showing you my 185 Skywagon that I just got not too long ago. Why my GPS isn't on. I turned all my avionics are on. Not sure. Usually this is, I don't need it right now. Yeah, I don't know. Usually this is comes on when I turn my avionics on, but whatever, I'm not using it.
Alpha Quebec Yankee Traffic Cessna Tango Papa Tango Foxtrot 25 3 miles south 2500 Fort inbound to land runway 20.
Okay, before landing checklist, mixture full rich, fuel selectors both, call flaps are open, RPM levers max, airspeed between 60 and 75, we'll work on that later. Trims are set, tail wheel is locked, and we are gonna put our flaps down once I get a little closer here. So we are gonna announce our
Alpha Quebec Yankee Traffic Cessna Tango Papa Tango Foxtrot 25 is on upwind runway 20.
Announce our positions here. I gotta get above these ridges. I'm a little low. I want to stay in this pattern, but I don't want to run into the side of a ridge. Probably would be handy. This is Alyeska Ski Resort here on the right. I'm pretty sure. I skied it many, many years ago. some flaps.
Alpha Quebec Yankee traffic Cessna, Tango Papa Tango Foxtrot, 25 is on crosswind runway 20.
Drop some more flaps.
Alpha Quebec Yankee traffic Cessna Tango Papa Tango Foxtrot 25 is on final runway 20 to land.
Is that the stall horn or is that my dogs? Unlock my tail gear here so I can steer into the parking area. Looks like we're going to be in the grass just a little bit to get around this Grand Caravan there, or whatever it is. Wait, they got a whole fleet of Grand Caravans here, don't they? Park right here behind this fuel truck. Have a good day.